oil revenue in this period than I got. But what is there to show for it? Virtually nothing. And look at the kind of figures you're talking about. Debt service and wages are more than 143% of domestic the revenue. How could this have happened? It couldn't have happened overnight. So it means that they were criminally, hiding the true state of the economy from Ghanaians. And then coronavirus comes and they suddenly say, oh, this is the state of the economy is in a mess. But how did we end here? You said the Sika for a company. Where is the Sika? We are still sitting on that money. Where is the gold? And the worst thing is that you kind of try to surreptitiously, take our gold royalties, get your family to get involved and set up some company in a tax haven and mortgage our gold royalties for the next 15 years for $500 million. And I've said that they've created a vortex, and the vortex is swallowing money like anything. If that 500 million had come, it wouldn't have done anything. It wouldn't get anything tangible for it. It would have just been swallowed in his dead vortex. It's time to get him out. Get all the, level-headed people in the country to sit around the economy and fix it. I faced a problem with the economy as a result of the single spine. The single spine was inherited from the Kufu administration, and President Mills, started to deal with it. By the time Governor Dufo was the finance minister. And so we did the negotiations until 2012. And then 2012, we started paying the single spine plus the arrears. And so in 2012, we were spending more than 73% of total revenue on wages and compensation alone, and had only 23%, 27% of revenue left for everything, goods and services, capital expenditure, everything, And so we've been faced with something like that before. What did we do? We called the Century Forum. You remember Century Forum? PVOB was very active in that. We wanted to achieve consensus behind our economic program. So we invited all the stakeholders. Everybody was there. The only people who refused to attend were the New Patriotic Party. They actually issued a caveat that any of their members who attended would be sanctioned severely. And so some of them had accepted to come, but at the last minute, because of the party.
Sorry, sir. Let me house about force. Mom, I mean, make another time. Some say, yet it's cast on us as canoeing. Utin is here. May reply no. Sikana yet is swallow. Now winning baby a one. Ebini 1199 billion HGU government yen say in it as a country. You think America, Germany, France, UK, Italy, a business of $99 billion would be going on and the government has nothing in it? But because you can't think outside the box, so such policies won't come to your brain. Sorry, sir. John Dalega Mahama, because say no cognac things for you, apeteshi, and a junima wintino, you cannot think outside the box to know, say, this is a big thing government can get something from. Osi yet iskaso, scanner wa hen, metro di scanner ye. Sa e blocks 200 no. Wukoji sikasa wo de beye. Na wusi mu 4. Ewie 4. Na mu 27 de oto na sewuram no. Ekufu ado baaye no. Se sika na wote so na wuhu ha wa wo de be wie adwuma. O de ewie mu 30. Na de ya ne say. Wonu o se owo good economy no. Na usika da bank. Na ukoyi a ye nya mawo. We see Ghana and to Papa we know me name what he's drinking lately, me name who is his counselor, but he needs help. Mahama needs a lot of help. He needs real counseling. I say you chinetanasi. Na you almost psychologist a doctor for munim nyansemu a jinimu shisheno and then it's nasi a man of thorough therapy for post-election effect. That is what he's suffering from. Sa 2 defeats now when you know. A man actually, this man is not thinking right no more. How do you complain about somebody's banking sector? The rot you left on the AY3KA. I'm a banking sector, I think I pay the move and then Ghana, but me personally, me now for 4-3 there. Prestige banks, last month I said the Antamidumudi, but one was you there, Charlie. I never said who's a Ghana for you, many blood, banks are starting my loan back. Yes, it's the Kufa pencil. Mobile one, the member back with you know. Banks are starting a month for loan back. Ghana, so yes, I think you to be friendly. They are already crying, dear man. So banks are starting. Wouldn't be empty. I want to make because Mahama time now at the moment because Mahama catch them with Samamun Kutia. Oba power at the Betchem. Sikana ya dem mama no Mahama time no went and they want to come back some for this and most of my white. Emende and Kola April e be com e be a starting Kobe Mudaga. Double track and so and it's because some of these schools have been completed. And the Sikana ne yatesu ekufuado kanu. Ebi ne yede awi adwuma wo wanwie. Wo kwaji Sikani di ya wo de wo ma dan ne keka awuram. Ebi kura wo na foundation kura wo mo nso now the by green book. Ekufuado Sikano e no de CB amana edu sa. Afi ma menkyerɛ access kan bi o. Sikana wo say won ti ase say ekufuado say yeti sika so me be kyerɛ obi. Wo kan say ebire your method of saving the banking sector and say J 800 and what was it 640 or 864 million. Fakoma will now for more banks. Say omufentia omu customers ka. Udie. Wo Mr. Mahama. Wunya a chance ne say your banking sabe amount for sika kemuno. What is sika? Ama ato ato esien base capital one capital all those financial institutes including group indu what the ma almost say omu fen konko tuetu yankofo ka omu kodi se scan men the Ghana first time boka in this one say sebe Mr. Wu wama kakra ya how because of cognac ninti one journey through that thing no. There's a one gene move through. He didn't think through it. Uncle Khan, populist. You are asking for sales scan. Yeah, this sales scan is share one son. What the mama will now for ubenya sebi deal every home. And unti send Betty Baden. And obey to me a container. I will cromua. Now Oba no abesa 1 2 3 dia Oba so di onim di obeye also di de ya wutie ye de ensa fa okon achi a usika ne teteto enti Betty be saka kra kire wo na afie eno anu no Betty I want to open a financial do you have a place I've made the container but I haven't started. Oh sir, don't worry, we will give you license. Where is your container located? It is in my village. Okay, we will make the papers for you. Go to ministry of this, go to ministry of this. Now ya papers the ama Betty yankasa to one $500,000 $500,000 Betty need you. And so I said so to me kosa kakra kire Mahama no. Mahama man the paper say Betty embe bume no one Jimmy Sika elfengu ni blue container no. That is what he did. Yay. And God is love. DKM. Me say me no I'm telling you what happened in Ghana so you know. God is love just didn't come. Bono for money come more. DKM ne God is love. Esika and other financial institutions. Yeah, this kind of man penny for this woman for me to have a cano. And then no more the bubo and also a drop. That is what the court documents are saying. UT Bank no one this kind of man almost say Monko for Magio Musica. Ghana ni oton gari si training katie a wodi ne sika beto won fakotua ne kano. Ana omo de bobo omo ho bosia. Ana omo de toto properties. Ana wo Ghana ni a wo tin fifre de sika koto ho no. Yes woni mfa ne class ni. Sebe. Ya ma. Says Sikana etesono. Emu 21 and a kufuado afa or dear Tuya Ghana foka. Says Sikana and ye can't win him say, oh, because one real cognac man a flower any. And the idea that I'll cry wound. Says Sikano and no never kufuado coffee. And or the command for say Monje Exim Bank. Now we have a controller, one person. I'll move to your can. You started say you create your car from 2019 all the way out to now. You didn't pay nobody. President Kufuor now we just threshold in the high. Into a beer sorry what savings and loan and ask what bank. I want you to do this mass for me. Please, Mr. Remo. Idea we are making Ghana me. Man find the same NPP, but he is because we are Ghana. I want you to look at this. Look at how many banks were established from 2012 to 2016. Look how many banks were established 2000 to 2008. Look how many banks has been established from 2017 to 2022, or as we have it now. Now, this is what I want you to do for me. Because Mahama Dieno, Omoma, license under Mahama. No. Look how many of them are surviving today, and the savings and loans. Because how many of them are still there? They are not. They are no longer there. Me say, banks ibe bu o Ghana ma obinya dankura mienu anu epenti anim banking na nkrofo du musika egu na Ghana ni awo se wodo Ghana. Do you know why into banks be gu ye no? Because na omo te banks ye ne papa ye oti we ne wonu gina ho no bi se ekufu ado question no na omo ne we deal ene ne nkrofo we deal into ba na ya ma otumi krata se fakoye bank. And when to be so koto gold you, or see a friend a man's gold. Or say for gold bra, it could be actually a savings alone and kofusika because interest no. Na for frogana, lazy Ghana man or pesican times one person will be yetuma. To be cast or be man interest saying and hope. And of course when sika one year the man stumbo and motor cars. There did be man shatawale no motor dying. There did be man becca no motor dying. There did be man for who sikano. Women's gold no, and yet the total dying. Yea. President Kufuor the threshold do corner, ye buy any pet tears so say, will be a mayor bank needy. Into a mama assignment, we are a simple qual be. Yamay Adumochina may shoe. Oba, now the abbess, but fellas, me call ye and me crochet, and pat the Auka and no cre. Mahama pens, and I'm telling you this because I know. There were more banks opened under Mahama than any other president. Go and bring me. President Yawama will be a coins will be a bank and the papaya what we. But I'm telling you, me I'm an for becoming an finance me age mate. I'm talking about big businessmen. Or yet big things in Ghana. You see, a company, a kamakakran who say you want a bank natural. We want to partner. We want to do this. We want to do this. We want to do this. Nana Mahama DNA. Why weren't these banks even paying us our own money? And your mama kakragan in your ocean. Mr. Mahama pencil. Na banking sector no. Strong. This is India. Papa we are pencil. Na banking sector no. Vibrant. Yet. Uko bank say uko yi 20 Ghana. Yes, ye nipi ma. Esi Ghana. Ensi Togo. Ensi Kosovo. Esi Ghana. Under his leadership as the president. And unti they be American. Because I know there a viral video be a shade. Or baby and neba shenechi or se neba ne yare. Where to me a ton in Katia no kwadunya ade kakra. Edi sika koto bank. Neba na be yare ntino or say okwa ko yi 100 cedis 1 million. And I'm about 100 cedis 1 million. And I'm about yes. Or ko yi 100 cedis. na wakoto mole na waye koko na wadi sika ni bi ato aduro se de ebe ya akola na ehye na chi no ebetumi anu koko no na wafa aduro no na akola no ho ato. The lady wasn't going for 10,000 Ghana cedis, no. The lady wasn't going for 2 million, no, or 200 Ghana, no. The lady wasn't going for 1.5, no. The lady went to a reputable bank. Bank ya painting blue and white, chere se sika wo ho enkwa wo ho. Se wo ko jini sika.